Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can pay with your PayPal balance. So most people, when they don't have money on their card or bank account, so when they want to ask their friends, they go to pay, they can't. So how we can tell PayPal that we want to shop online with our PayPal balance? So first of all, we'll go to login into our account. And here's the PayPal dashboard. As you see, we will go to pay and get paid. Under wallet, payments. So here, as you see, here's my PayPal balance. Now click on payments. So if you linked your PayPal, your card or your bank account, it will show there. Because I didn't link any one of them, but if you linked, it will appear there and you can choose which one you wanted to pay online with your PayPal. So here you can click on PayPal balance. I choose it before and click confirm, and that's it. You set your PayPal balance as your preferred way to pay online. Now you can pay with your PayPal balance to shop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content about PayPal.